Hi, I'm Allison Pryor and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner step by step in real time so you can follow along with me. And I'm going to show you how I did this cute little apron that I make, and if you want one you can let me know. And I have artists that work here, but you can have whatever you want on it. I can have different designs, different flowers, or anything at all. And if you want to get some more information about these cute little aprons, I have a few left. I don't have a big lot, but they're kind of nice and sturdy, so just thought I'd show you that. I'm going to show you how I did this one. So now this is where I use chalk to draw the letters of my design. And I'm using, after I draw it out with chalk, and I get it all measured out with the measuring tape, I then go over the letters with a synthetic chiseled edge brush so that you have a nice chiseled edge. You can also use a liner brush if you want. And I'm going over the letters with white. I'm using white, but you can use any color that you want. Just use a chiseled edge. You should be able to get nice straight lines. You should be able to fill it in pretty good. You might need 2 coats. Any color that you use, you'll probably need 2 or 3 coats. 3 coats will be better. When this dries, you'll notice that the paint will fade a little, because our acrylics dry darker than when you put them on, would you believe? That's why you need layers, a few extra layers or glaze over your paintings to make the paints more vibrant. So this is an apron that I have. If you would like to have one, you can let me know. I can put anything on it that you want. I can put on whatever saying you want, or whatever design you would like, or if you want your name on there or somebody's name on there, I can do that for you. And I also have a video of the rose. I'll leave that in the description for you. So I'll have that's a very easy rose. And I got it in white, and I think I got some red ones there, and blue. The white and blue ones are like the ones I'm doing there now. The red one I did was a little bit different, but it's still easy. So when you get your rose on, you can put acrylic paint on any fabric, or you can put it on anything really, glass, sneakers, whatever. And it's very difficult to get off, so you could wash it out by hand in a sink. I would say putting it in the washer, it might rub some of the acrylics off if it's getting a hard wash in the washer, but I'll probably wash it by hand if you need to. Once you get paint on there, anyway, if you're putting it on your clothes to save your clothes, then the paint's going to get on your apron, so it's just as well to leave the little sprinkles of paint on it. It'll look pretty cute anyway. There's a liner brush I'm using to do some final details, and you can see I'm just adding a little interest to the lettering. And I will leave some information about the apron in the description in case you want one. I have a video on that. I'll probably leave a description too, what's included with the apron, and leave something there for you. So it's that simple. You just paint on any fabric using acrylic paint. You can paint on anything. One good thing about acrylic paint is that it washes off your hands really easy. But not so much on your carpets or your furniture. You be careful with that. Not too bad on hardwood. You can get it off hardwood. Carpet is hard to get it off. I use nail polish remover to get it off my carpet. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can share. And you can also check out those aprons that I have there. They're nice and sturdy, and they go down to my knees. And I'm a little over 5 feet tall. I'm not very tall, but they go down to my knees. Bye.